Hi, yes. Next topic, charts in MS Excel and various components of a chart. First, what is chart? You know that charts make the information easier for the readers to understanding and interpret. This is called a chart. The chart is make the information easier the reader understanding and interpret. So various components of a chart is there. What is the data sets, x-axis, y-axis and chart given to the chart title and axis title also, chart area, plot of area, legend and grid lines and data label. These are all called a components of a chart. Definition of chart make a information easier for reader to understanding and interpret. But various components is there. Data series. Okay, now I am explaining this video only data series. What is data series? It refers to those data series from which a chart is derived. Explanation. See here, I'm taking term information. This is called a coffee sales information. It year wise, the 2009 sales and 2010 sales are both is there. First one is the coffee types. Number of types is there. What is that? I am taking in here 6 types of coffee types in six types of coffee types is there. They're selling in the 2009 and selling in the 2010. This is called a data point. These are data points is there. Okay. Next one. First, how to take the data in the chart. Again, I am saying that how to comes to in the chart in this type. Okay. First, you select what's you given on there in the data. First you select on that. After you go to the insert, their column is there. The columns is 2D column is there, 3D column is there, cylinder is there, cone and pyramid. Always all are taken to the 3D column in the chart wise. Already how to taken the chart from previous classes I am explaining in Excel. My channel is first time saw that people one subscribe and saw their charts is I am already explained how to take on that. Here I am taking the 3D column chart. Taken that. See, this is called a chart. How to create the chart? How to create the chart? You first any data you go in there. First you select the data. After click the insert menu. There selected column. There click the 3D columns. This is called a chart designing. After chart designing, after what is that? The sales. When how many years you taken, that are displayed on here. This is the series of that. Series the data. And another one, coffee types. The types is displayed the label type. This is called a data label. The up and downs, which means sales will give sometimes up and sometimes down. That all are displaying the called a data marker. The 3 is called a data series. This is the data series. Okay. In this data series, modified very full. It means some design, the colors are modified, given to this colors. How to given that? I am changing this red one. Select that. After you clicking on here fill shape, there change the color. And another one you selected, same taken that and change the another color. No, only given to fill on here, structures, you take the structures also. Another one, you are given to the another one structure, take the gradients, let's gradient colors also. Now structure means go there and structures also. In this type of modify the colors, you identify the colors also. Okay, different colors you taken on that. Which is highest one, you given to the separate color. They change the normal color also. Normal color also. Again you select this one, fill the shape. There you given to the picture also. Given to the picture also. See, here given to the chart, given the picture also. The picture will comes to the inner of the chart. This is the modification of the data series and how to modify it, how to create the chart. And first you create the chart. Before what you that, you select the data. After clicking the insert menu, there you click the chart. There clicking the chart, their columns after they select the 3D columns. Always check in the 3D columns. Okay, different 3D columns also selected. Next you given what is that, change the colors also. You take in that format, there the shape fill, they change the colors. Okay, this is the background color changing. Given to the white or brown, given that background colors also changed there. This called a data series. Data series have the data points is there. Data points means your data, you are creating the data. Next one, data marker means whatever up and downs you then the charts on there, the number series is there, that will displayed on, called a data marker. Data label means which you are explain the data, where you explain the data. I am taking the coffee sales. The coffee sales in the different types is there. Data types will be displayed, is called a data label. Okay, this is called a data series. Next video I am explain the x-axis and y-axis, both are explained on there. And another video I'm taken to the chart title, how to give the chart title. After you rotate on that, how to rotate on that, where your left side, right side, more bottom, middle, how to given on that chart. This only explained. Thank you viewers. Anyone first saw the my channel, subscribe and share and like. Any doubts you have, comment section post them. I rectify the doubts all time. Thank you.